I'm Jackie Ordner. I'm a registered nurse and international board certified lactation consultant, and I want to introduce you to the Motif Roam. This little portable pump is amazing. It's powerful. It goes up to 270 mmHg of suction. That just means it is on par with hospital strength pumps that are much bigger and less portable. So it really does the job. Not everybody needs that much suction, but having that much suction available means that this is a high quality pump motor. It comes with collection cups. So instead of traditional flanges, you can put the cups inside your bra for hands-free pumping and a truly portable hands-free experience. The pump motor itself has a lanyard, so that makes it super convenient. It's very lightweight, just a little over half a pound for the pump motor. The other really exciting thing is that you have 5 sizing options. So it comes with these sizing inserts, 16, 19, 21, 24, and 28. Right out of the box, it comes with a nipple ruler so you can measure your nipples. It's got instructions on there for how to find your flange size so that you don't have to order your pump and then find the right size inserts, wait for those to come in before you can get to pumping. It's got 5 sizes right in the box. This pump is innovative because it has some pre-programmed pumping modes. So what that means is you can turn the pump on and push the mode selector and go to one of those pre-programmed sessions and sort of set it and forget it. So you can still use the traditional expression and massage mode just like you would any breast pump, but you can also select the general pumping mode, which will go through massage, then expression, then back to massage and back to expression. So you get 2 letdowns without having to remember to turn the pump back to massage mode halfway through your session. And then the other pre-programmed session on here is the cluster feeding mode. So this one's really great because just like when a baby cluster feeds, they nurse and then they pause, or you take a quick break and then they go back to nursing, and it just seems like they're feeding frequently with those short breaks. The pump does that for you. So it will pump and then it will give you a pause where it's just very light suction so you know it's still working, but it's not actually removing milk, and then it goes back to pumping to remove milk. So your body is getting that benefit of the on-off action, just like power pumping, but condensed down to a small 30-minute pumping session that you don't have to do anything except put the pump on, select your mode, and it does the rest for you. So I hope you love the Roam as much as I do. I think it's a fabulous addition to the Motif pump lineup, and I'm super excited to hear your feedback because this pump is really amazing.